Okay, here we are back on part 2 of our tutorial on our Spider-Man beanie, and I have gone ahead and done my 22 rows, which I asked you guys to do at the first beginning of the video. So here I am on my 22th row, and all you do is just count these rows until you get to 22. So I'm at 22, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to slip stitch and fasten off. Okay, and give that a little tug so it can knot up and be secure. At this point, we're going to do our ear flaps, and my surface is wet for some reason. Don't like that. There we go. Probably for my drink. Alright, we're going to line these up as flat as possible. Just press it down, and you should have an end here and an end here if you did it right. You're going to take your crochet markers. You're going to need 2 for this side. So put one at this end, the very corner. And we're going to put one at this end on the very corner. So now we know where our ends are at, see? Now we're going to do the ear flaps. And to do the ear flaps, we're going to do another slip knot. Wrap the yarn around our fingers twice, flip it over, pull. I'm going to pull a little bit less on this side because I don't want my straggler to be so long. And put my hook in and pull tight. Now I have my little loop. I'm going to release my needle out of there, and right here we're going to open up this side of the beanie, and where the crochet marker is, you're going to count back 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th spot, put your hook in, attach the yarn, bring it through, wrap the yarn around the hook, and pull through. Now we just attached our yarn. We're going to go all the way across from here. This is our first stitch, and do 12 more stitches to a total of 13 stitches of single crochet. So we're going to go into the next stitch, and what I like to do here is, you see this loose straggler? Lay it right there on the side of it. And when you bring your hook in, you're going to grab all 3, which is, this is the stitch, and this is the loose straggler. You're going to bring it right around, wrap the yarn around, go through 2, and by doing this, we are crocheting that right inside there, so you no longer need to see it. So here we are again, go through our stitch, wrap the yarn around, pull through. See, it's crocheting right in. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me do that one again. I grabbed less of the yarn, and I don't want it to be all messed up. Take our marker out. We're on our 6th stitch. The next one will be 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. last one, 13. Okay, at this point we're going to turn our work around and we're going to work back. We're not going to chain up one, we're just going to move. This is our first stitch, we're going to move to the second stitch and single crochet. By doing that, we are bringing our yarn right in and bringing this into an angle. So let's single crochet across. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, 11, and our last one is 12, which is kind of hard to get, so try your best in getting that last stitch. 12. I'm going to turn our work around. We're going to do the same thing again. We're not going to go into this stitch, we're going to the next. We're not chaining up nothing. We're going to go into the second one from the chain, bring the yarn through, wrap the yarn around, and pull through 2. Now it should be 11 across. So that's 1. Now we're going to our second one. 2, single crochet all the way across. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and last one, 11. Turn your work around, skip the first one, go to the second, single crochet. Now we're going to go across 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's turn our work around. Skip the first, move to the second, single crochet. Should be 9 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last one, 9. Turn your work around, skip the first, move to the second, single crochet. That's 1, single crochet across 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Turn your work around, skip the first, move to the second, single crochet. We're going to single crochet all the way across to 7. 1, and this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, last one, 7. Turn the work around, skip the first, move to the second, single crochet 1, and now we're going to single crochet all the way across, counting the first will be 6. So this is our second one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work around, skip the first, move to the second, single crochet, 1, single crochet the second, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to turn our work around, skip the first, move to the second, single crochet, that's 1. Now we're going to continue across till we hit 4. So counting the first, this is the second, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your work around, skip the first, move to the second, single crochet the next, single crochet the next, that's 3. Turn your work around. This is going to be our last one. We're moving to the second, and we're going to single crochet, and then move to the next and single crochet. So now it's only 2. At this point, we're going to fasten off